God, thank you for this day. Thank you for your blessings. And just thank you for another representative of you and children of yours that are going to keep that going. And they know that their love is based solely on knowing Christ and letting Christ work in and through them.
Madison, this is it. Today, our wedding day. A day that is fulfilled with love and joy for each other. A day that will be remembered forever. I stand before you, my beautiful bride. However, you are much more than just a bride today. You also are and have been my best friend, my rock, my teacher, my supporter, and my endless fountain of love. Today, we declare our endless love for one another before the Lord and with friends and family. While over the last 3 years, I've told you that I will always love you and protect your heart, and that is the truth, but yet so much more. And with that, I vow to you. I vow to always love you every single day, to guard your heart from the world. I vow to be the best husband for you and strive to create the best marriage for us. I vow to take care of you through the thick and the thin, to listen and grow for the better and a wonderful life as one. And of course, I vow to continue to be the #1 shopping buddy. Madison, I'm grateful and blessed to be standing here with you today. I'm excited for the new adventure in life as Mr. and Miss, and I'm sure it will be an exciting one for the books. I love you.
Christopher, from the moment I met you, I know that you are someone special. Your kind heart and caring personality captivated me after only minutes of talking with you. At first, I really thought you were a weirdo, and I'm still right to this day. But you took me by surprise and quickly became my best friend. You have been with me through it all, the laughter, the tears, and most importantly, my attitude. I have never met someone more kind or genuine than you, and you are always there to cheer me on and encourage me to conquer my fears. Life with you so far has been great, and I can't believe that I get the privilege to love you every day and to call you my best friend. There is no combination of words that could describe how much I love you and how thankful I am that God has given me a man like you to walk through life with. Thank you for being the one to watch The Office with me on a never-ending loop, the one that supports my unhealthy pizza addiction, and the one that I can have a super competitive slug bug competition with. I am so ready to annoy you for the rest of our lives, and I vow to love you every day and until my last breath. I love you more than words can express. And I'm so honored and thankful to finally be able to call you my husband.
By the power vested in me as Madi, student pastor and licensed by the state of Texas, I pronounce you husband and wife. Chris, you may kiss your bride.